Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can utilize YouTube within your mobile app. You can do this by way of a tab or an element, also known as a button. Your first option is utilizing a tab. Right here you can see that we have the YouTube button. You have the opportunity to identify the video that you specifically want the user to see when they click this tab. So for example, I have a video out here. My address right up here in the URL is all we need. We copy that and we paste it right here. Click OK. And as you can see, you've got an image of the actual video that the user will see when they press the tab for YouTube in your app. If you want to be able to show potentially multiple videos, or you only want to show one video, but perhaps you want to show it on a screen where you'll have additional buttons and functionality also on that screen, you want to use the YouTube element, also called a button. So I'm going to go to a tab here. This is a blank tab. If you don't happen to have any blank tabs yet, and you're just starting to build your app, you can bring down a blank tab just like we did with the YouTube tab. There will be nothing here, and you can bring over your elements or buttons to populate your tab or screen here. In this case, I'm going to bring over the YouTube button. And again, you're just going to define what URL you want to use. I am going to use the same URL. And again, you can see there is confirmation that is the video that I wanted to pull up. Now perhaps you want to create sort of a little mini video channel, if you will, here. And so I am going to bring over a text element right here. And I'm going to label my video. In this case, this is the image button instructions. And you have the ability to play with the size, the alignment, the color of your font, and how much space you want to utilize to show your text. And now you can see this is how it's come up. And again, you have all kinds of options in how you want to label this. And so I'm actually going to move this over. I'm going to move my video right up above it. And there I have my first video. And again, you can repeat this however you'd like. You can align this however you would like. Perhaps you want the image button instructions to be all on one line, a smaller font, a different font, different colors, so on and so forth. You have the flexibility to do that. And so if I then wanted to have another video, I would just simply follow the same process. Bring it over. Determine the video that I want to select, copy the URL, and drop it right here. And now again, you can see that I have the video that I've just selected. This is a great way to visually confirm that you have the proper video. And again, I can bring a text button over and label it. Determine my alignment, my text colors, my length. And this just shows you I selected a different color, and I had everything showing up on one line instead of multiple lines here. So this gives you an opportunity, as I said, to sort of create a mini YouTube channel within your mobile app by having more than one video available on a particular screen. The third way to implement YouTube in your mobile app is by using an RSS feed. Every YouTube channel actually has the ability to utilize an RSS feed, whether in a mobile app or otherwise. You can implement the RSS button by simply dragging it over and dropping it the same way as we did the YouTube button just a few moments ago. For the purposes of this demonstration, I've actually already dropped a YouTube RSS button over here, and I'm going to open it up for you. And I'll show you here that you can specify your icon, change the height and width, and click to view your button as a text only. For example, the button could simply say YouTube and not have any type of icon associated with it. Within the RSS feed itself, you can label your icon. By default, it is labeled RSS, and I simply changed it to YouTube. You, of course, can call it whatever you'd like. There is a default URL that is always listed right here. I actually have popped in the URL that you will use for your YouTube channel. Now, as you can see here, I've got the URL specified with your channel name. This actually is where you will put in the name of your YouTube channel. The remainder of this RSS address that you see here is exactly the address that you want to use. So in our case, we will eliminate this information right here and put Snappy App, which is the name of our YouTube channel. Once we've done that and gone down and clicked the Apply button, the YouTube feed is now tied to this RSS button. Once you have saved your app, you'll be able to test the RSS feed right into your mobile app. And again, what this does for you is ties your entire YouTube channel to your mobile app. What the user will see when they click on this button is a list of different video names with some information underneath it, all videos related to your channel. The user can then click on any one of those videos and be taken directly out to your YouTube channel to watch that particular video. Once there as well, they can of course look through your channel and select other videos to look at, and this RSS feed will continually update itself so that the next time the user logs into the mobile app and they push the YouTube RSS button, they will see the most recent list of videos that have been uploaded in your YouTube channel. So just to recap, you have the opportunity to bring YouTube into your mobile app. You can use the YouTube button as we have just done here, multiple buttons on a page perhaps to create a mini video channel, or you can utilize the YouTube tab, which we did down here. And again, the YouTube tab gives you the ability to pull a single video into your app, perhaps a promotional video. You can populate that particular video in this tab, and when the user pushes the tab, the video will automatically populate. Just to clarify, what you are doing for all intents and purposes is pulling this video into your app. So users are not going to click on this tab or the YouTube buttons and be taken out to YouTube by way of a hyperlink. The video actually is going to be pulled directly into your app, and they will be able to watch that video from within the app itself. And then the third way that you can utilize YouTube in your mobile app is to bring down your RSS button, drop it in, configure your YouTube channel by putting the name of your YouTube RSS feed directly into the URL, hitting apply and saving your app. And that is how you bring YouTube capabilities into your mobile application using the Snappy platform.